Make $150 an hour just for typing Captchas. Is it true or is it fake tube? That's right, I said it, fake tube. So today we're going to be exploring this topic and going over a claim that a video has made on YouTube here twice, once in 10 days ago and 2 years ago. Same video, $75 every 20 minutes, every 30 minutes. And we're going to take a look at this, explore it, and see if it's possible. And if so, how can we use this to make money for ourselves? All right, let's get right into it here. So the video claims that you can come over here to Google Play and download this app, Captcha Typing Work Online Jobs, and you can create income just by typing captchas, which you can. You can't make as much as they say. This is the first app here, but there's also a better app which is called 2Captcha, and this is online. You go to 2captcha.com and you can sign up here. And what a captcha is this form here that proves that you're not a bot or a robot or fake person. And then once you solve this for a company, they pay you. So it says right here, starting from $1 for every 1,000 solved captchas. And in the video, he claims that it's $1 for every captcha, which is just not true. It says right here, $1 for every 1,000 solved captchas, which is a big difference. So here it is, 1,000 captchas. It takes about 10 seconds for a captcha to be solved. So if we do the math here, that is 10 goes into 60, you got 60 seconds in a minute, divided by 10, of course it's gonna be 6. And then, so that's 6 every minute times 60 minutes in an hour equals 360. So you do about 360 in an hour, and you get $1 for every 1,000. So that's about, 36 cents? 36 cents every hour. You cannot make a living off of that in the United States, that's for sure, or practically anywhere else. But what you can do is present this offer, this opportunity to people outside of the United States who do not live in the United States and then can live off a few dollars per hour or $1 per hour. Maybe $10 a day. They can make a few dollars, a few extra dollars, and then you also get paid a small commission. And the way that works is you come down here to the affiliate, it's always down at the bottom, affiliate program, come down here, and then you will get 10%. It says earn 10% from your referrals. You join here, and then what you will do is copy your referral link, and then present that to companies that, or not companies, countries that can make a decent living off a few dollars a day, which is the only one I know of that we can advertise to is India. So we come over here to usnetads.com, and then you can place your free India ads right here. You can also do it for other countries, but like I said, a few dollars a day is not going to make a difference in anybody's lives in the United States, Canada, or any of the major countries. So these are major economies here. India is an up-and-coming economy, and it can survive off a few dollars a day. And this way, the only way you can hopefully make a few dollars off of this method per month is by offering this to a lot of people, a lot of different people. So you put your ad in here, click here to post your free ad, you put your affiliate link in there, and then you will start generating a few dollars here and there. Will you make $150 an hour? Absolutely not. Will you make $75 every 30 minutes? No way. So this is debunked. This is fake tube. I would not recommend this method to make money, but if you have to do it, if you live in a different country, and if you want to make a few extra dollars per month, then you can do the captchas themselves, or you can share your affiliate link to people in countries that it can make a difference, and then also make a few dollars off that way. Otherwise, I wouldn't waste my time. There's many, many, many better ways to make money online. And subscribe to my channel if you want to learn those, and click on the link below to get my free affiliate marketing course. I'll see you in the next video.